Hi beekeepers, Jenna here from Mann Lake to bring you the March edition of the Beekeepers Buzz for the North region. So I am out here in the Minnesota warehouse today. First off, I just want to tell you real quick kind of what you should be doing with your bees this time of year. And then I thought we'd do something a little bit different and talk about what's going on here where we do our manufacturing. So in March, it's really important that you keep in mind that this is essentially starvation season. It's a really critical time where your bees are starting to become a little bit more active. They're consuming more food, and it's really important that you make sure that they still have enough stores in that hive, and if they don't, add supplemental feed. So in some of our earlier videos, we've gone out, you just lift the back of the hive to kind of check the weight. If it's warm enough, you can also just pop your cover to kind of gauge where your bees are at and just take a quick peek to see if it looks like they still have honey available or if you need to add winter feed in there. So general rule of thumb, less than 40 degrees, try to leave your bees alone. 40 to 50, you can open it up for just a quick check. 50 to 60, you can do a little bit more investigating, maybe pull a frame or two, and then 60 and above, you can do more of a normal inspection. So let's talk about what's happening at Mann Lake in March. And actually, our busy season here really doesn't kick off in March. It kicks off earlier in the year because we know that when March hits, it's starting to warm up in the south, and so we need to be prepared. So right now, we've got frame lines running, we've got our box machine going, building kits for the season. Our feeds lines are running full bore to get you all the feed that you need, the hive equipment that you need, so we're ready to go when you're ready to order for your bees for spring. Now is also when we're doing all of our package bee and nuke prep. So if you haven't already and you need to order your bees, get them ordered because we do sell out. Right now, it's prep season for Mann Lake. We're getting ready for when you guys are ready for your bees. Some of you observant people may be taking a look behind me at something that we've been working on that's gonna be new for 2026. So keep an eye out on our channel, and we've got a big announcement coming here later in the month. So again, to wrap things up, March is a really busy time. Our wood plant is going full bore along with our feeds department, where we make all of that here in Hackensack, where I'm standing today. Our teams have been working really hard to make sure that we're ready for spring. So go ahead, check out our website. In summary, make sure your hives have enough feed to get through March. It's a pretty critical time. And come back next month. We'll be talking a little bit more about spring, hopefully if this snow ever goes away. All right, you can check us out on Facebook. If you haven't joined our new Facebook group, it's a really great environment to ask questions. We've updated Bella, the beekeeping assistant, on our website, so you can ask her even more questions about order status, additional product information. She's a great resource for you. And as always, you can give our sales team a call. They're here and ready to help, and we'll see you guys in April.